Hi friends, my name is Mohsin. In today's session, we are going to discuss about common interview question and answer, that is set 3. Here I will share you this detail for practice purpose. Okay, let me fetch the detail. The table is employee details. Select and press F5. Here you can see we got the detail of employee details table. Okay, employee ID, employee first name, last name, salary, department, and joining date, and so on. Okay, and our first question is write a query to get date from employee detail table. Okay, so how can we find the date? We want the date. So for that, what we have to do, we want select date part function. I'm using this is a inbuilt function. I want a date, so I have to type date. If I want month, I have to type month. If I want a year, I want to type year. From joining date, column, close bracket, from which table? Employees detail table. Let me select and specify. Here you can see. Okay, let me compare with the joining date. Okay, select spelling is okay, select it and press F5. Here you can see the dates. 24, it has given separately 24 as a column. Okay, date, I will mention date as okay, and we can do this one with one more method. Okay, what I will do, I will just replace date part with date name. Okay, let's see, select and press F5. Here we got the same dates. And the next question is write a query to get the month from employee details table, that is number and alphabets. Like it is asking the month, it should be in like 1 2 3, and okay, and select specify. Here you see I got a month in number. The same thing I want in alphabets. Like for that, what we have to type, just replace part with name. We will get January, February. Here you can see April, 4th month is April, 9th month. Here you can see first month is January and the second month is February, 9th month. It has separately mentioned in a column. Okay, and the next question, write a query to get year from employee details. For that also I am here. Okay, copying. What we have to do, we have to just replace date with year. Okay, select and press F5. Here you can see year 2014 separately it has given the yearly column. Okay, just what I did, I replaced. Here as usual I took the column. Here I differentiate. Like differentiate means part it year from the table. Okay, because I took only year. In the previous question I took only month. In the first question I took only date part. Okay, And the next question, write a query to get end of the month from employee details table. Okay, end of the month. For that, type select end of the month, also a inbuilt function, bracket open, joining date. Okay, end of the month, it did not mention which month, so I am considering whatever the month it has in the joining date. Okay, as is defined alias end of month. From where? From employee details table. Here you can see I got the end of the month. So let me compare, copy here and pasting. Okay, select and press F5. Here you can see, okay, I got the end of the month. September 24, 2014, the end of the month is 30, and 1st January 2014, the end of the month is 31st January, and for February is 28, and the September is 30, and the November is end of the month date is 30. Okay, you end of the month, it will tell about the end date of the month. Okay, here it did not mention the which month, so we consider this as a current month of the joining date. And the next question is, write a query to get the previous end of the month from employee details table. It's quite simple, just copy this and pasting here. Previous means just replace 0 with -1. Okay, we will get the previous month. Here the current month is April and the previous month is March 31st is the end date, and so on. January 2014, the previous month is December 2013 is the year, and 31st is the end date. Okay, this is the way we have to solve this kind of question. These are the very important questions. Okay, write a query, okay, to get the next end of the month from employee details table. So just copy pasting. What I am doing, I am just removing minus sign, so it will give the next month. Okay, here you can see April, it has given May 31st end date. Okay, and the January, so it will give February end date, and here you can see the February, it will give the March 31st 2013. 2015 September it has mentioned, so it should give October 31st. Okay, end of the month. This is the way we have to solve this. And the 7th question is, write a query to get the difference in year from employee details table. Okay, difference in year it is asking. So type select date part function we have to use. Okay, year it is asking, so date of joining is the column. Okay, I'm closing it, and date part. Okay, date part year. Okay, comma, then the get date is current date. So we are differentiating the table date, joining date with today's date, like month, year and date. So in the question it is asking to differentiate the year. Okay, so it will differentiate. Here you can see joining date is 2014 and the current year date is 2022, so it will subtract it and will give the differences of year. Okay, dated if function we have to use. Dated ifs. bracket open, year, and joining date, get date, bracket close. Okay, from employee details table. Let me select and press F5. Here I got invalid. Okay, here you can see there is some typo error. Okay, so now it's okay. Select and press F5. Here we got the difference. Joining date column year is 2014 and 14 and 13, 15 and so on, and the current year is 2022. So what it did, it just subtracted and it has given the difference. Let me give it as alias different in year. Okay, this current year, I'm giving this as aliases. Okay, select and press F5. Here we will get it. So here also joining date underscore year, it will give clear picture. Okay, joining date year is 2014 and so on, current year is 2022, and different in year is 8 years, 9 years and so on. Guys, these are very commonly asked questions. Okay, just be prepared. I think without these dated questions, there must be compulsory one question or more than that. Okay, without the interviewer will not leave you. Okay, and the next question is write a query to get the difference in month. Okay, it is asking the difference in month. So what we have to do, same select difference in month. So with function we have to use dated ifs function. Okay, we want the month, so we have to type and the starting date is joining date, and we are looking for differences this month, current month from employee details table. Okay, select and press F5. Here you can see the difference from joining date to till date. Here we can do this thing with this also. Okay, let me from here copy. Okay, I will paste here. Okay, joining date month to here you can see. Select dated ifs and the column is date of joining. Okay, sorry, the column is joining date. It will differentiate with current month. Okay, from where? From employee details table. Select and press F5. Here we got the difference in month. From joining date month to current month, there is a difference of 93, 96 and 97 86, 107, 76, and so on. And the next question is, write a query to get all employee details from employee details table whose joining date is, okay, between, it is asking me select star from employee details where, okay, where joining date between, so I'm taking single quote, 2013 1st January and first date, and ended year is 2014 December 1st. Okay, let me select and press F5. Oh, sorry. Let me select whole command and press. Here you can see 101 Vikas Shetty, 102 Nikita Khanna, and 103 Ashish Verma. The joining dates are in between from 1st January 2013 to 2014 December 1st. Okay, and the next question is, write a query to get all employee details from employee detail table whose joining date is not. So what we have to do, just copy this, paste here. Okay, joining date is not, just type it not. Here we will get the dates which are not in. Nikhil and Annie. Nikhil and Andy are the only two persons whose joining date is not in between 2013 1st January 1st to. And friends, if you like the video, click on like button and share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.